stainless steel table. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, a length of 18 inches. A depth of 18 inches. And a height of 34.5 inches tall. Thickness of the table, we have 2 inches. Measurements for the bottom shelf, we have 13.5 inches in length by 10 inches in depth. Thickness of the bottom shelf, we have 1.5 inches. Please note that the bottom shelf can be adjusted to height. Located on the left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.